Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to add photos to your Squarespace website step by step. I'll be walking through this on desktop where you get the full set of editing tools. First, log into Squarespace and access your website dashboard. You'll see your site listed, click on it to enter editing mode. Once you're in, open the Pages panel from the left sidebar. You'll see a list of all your site's pages appear. Click on the page where you want to add your image. Now, click Edit in the top left corner of the page preview. The page will enter edit mode, and you'll be able to hover over sections to see where you can add content. Hover over the section where you want your image to appear, then click Add Block in the top left corner. A block menu will pop up showing all the content types you can add. Click Image from that menu. An empty image block will appear on your page with a plus icon in the center. Click the plus icon. This opens the upload dialog with a few options you can upload from your computer, reuse an image from your library, or browse stock images. For this walkthrough, I'll upload from the computer. Click the Upload option and your file browser will open. Navigate to your image file, select it, and click Open or Upload to confirm. The image will load and appear in the image block on your page. You'll see it display at full size within the block. If you want to make any adjustments, click on the image block to select it. Then click the pencil icon that appears above it. This opens the block editor with Content and Design tabs. Here, you can change the focal point, add alt text for accessibility, attach a link to the image, switch between fit and fill display modes, or add animations. When you're done, just click outside the editor to close it. Your changes save automatically in Squarespace, so the image is now live on your page. Before you finish up, it's worth previewing your page to check how the image displays on different screen sizes, desktop, tablet, and mobile. If the sizing or alignment needs tweaking, just go back into the block editor and adjust the settings. Also, if you didn't add alt text during setup, it's good practice to go back and add it. It helps with accessibility and search rankings. One more thing. Keep your images under 500 kilobytes if possible. Larger files can slow down your page load times. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.